Hello lovies and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a video of my favorite eyebrow kit, and that is the Nichido, or they're saying it's Nichido, but yeah, Nichido Cosmetics, the black and coffee variant, because there's also coffee latte, which is brown for both sides. So I'm asking myself for what? Why brown? So I chose the brown black version of the eyebrow liner duo kit. So actually this is really from Japan because of course Nichido is a Japanese brand. So Nichido eyebrow liner duo kit contains two shades of easy to blend compact powder, mini tweezer, and eyebrow liner brush. So inside there's a mirror. There are two colors of the eyebrow powder. That's the black and the coffee, and it has a free tweezer or a puller for your eyebrows and the brush. So this kit is only 238 pesos in Watsons. Prices may vary depending on where you buy it. Okay, let's go ahead and open the kit. Okay, so once you open it, there's a film protecting, there's a film, you can see it, protecting the mirror from the black and the coffee powder. So this is the free tweezer and the free brush. I can go ahead and give it a try so that you would know how to use it if you really don't know how to use it yet, but it's a bit impossible if you're a woman, but I'm not judging you. Okay, so I don't have base yet. It would have been better if I have base on my face. Okay. I actually use this brand for my face. This is a BB cream from Caroline, but I'm gonna be talking about it on my next vlog. For now, I'll just show you how to use it without the base on my face. Okay. So dip it first on the brown powder, and next to on the black, and directly on your eyebrow. There, it's actually very light for now, but I usually apply thicker shades on the tip. There you go. Let's put on the other side as well. So again, brown first and then black. There you go. I won't really make it thick today because I'm not really gonna be working anyway. I don't really need makeup when I'm at home because they've accepted me for who I am. Charot. Okay, so that's it. Bare face, but I have eyebrow on from the eyebrow liner duo kit from Nichido. Again, if you like to buy this item, this is only 238 pesos in the nearest Watson's in your area. So if you liked my video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you have comments or suggestions on what products I would be testing next, you can go ahead and feel free to type it down in the comments below. And also, please do subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And that is to support. There you go with that word again. Show your support. Support my channel by hitting the subscribe button below. Thank you so much. Please do wait for my next vlog. I'm not sure what I'll be doing next, but please do hit as well the bell icon so that you would be notified if I have other vlogs in the future. Thank you so much, lovies. Do take care and have a great day. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below. Thank you so much. Have a great day, guys.